Welcome guys, today I have for you an Okamoto ACC-820EX. This machine is wired presently for 220 volts. Off to the right hand side you do see that the machine does come with a transformer. And to the other side you'll see our coolant tank right there with paper feed. This machine does have an automatic dress cycle along with a plunge and traverse. And we'll just get right into this. So to start off, I have everything all set up already for a traverse cycle. You gotta be sure that your table's all the way to the right hand side so you can make a contact right there. And then from there you could go ahead, start our hydraulics. Coolant tank's gonna turn on automatically when we start our cycle. And then we do have a variable drive wheel right down here, which go ahead, you just turn on, and then you go down here, you'll press local/remote, and then you can press run. So from there, you can change the hertz, change the speed for it. Right now, we're at 56 hertz. As I mentioned, you could go ahead and change that. So with the wheel and the hydraulics going, we could go ahead and run our cycle. Press the cycle start button and then press the direction that you want to go in, and I will be turning off the coolant. Go ahead, close that. And just like that, it's going to go ahead and down feed until it hits its 0. It does have a fine feed and a spark out feature. So now we're doing our spark out strokes. And then the table will park itself to the right hand side. When this is all done for, I would like to just go over our dressing cycle. Cycle on. So for the dress cycle, you'll just play with the knobs right up here. You also get your step feed, your plunge, traverse, so on and so forth right up here. So go ahead, turn the dress cycle on, and we could go ahead and start our cycle again. First, let's put in how much we want to down feed. Just something small for right now. So, as you might be able to tell, the dresser head is going in and out, and that's going to happen at the beginning of the cycle, along when the machine enters its fine feed. You could go ahead and change that in the parameters. And I'm just going to let this run out one more cycle. When we get to fine feed, I will try and point it out to you one more time that the dresser is activated. We do have variable speed for our table. Make it go a little bit faster, a little too fast, and then we can slow it down. Change our spark outs to whatever we want. So right now, it is going to be hitting another dressing feed right there. I'm not sure if you can pick it up, but it's right there. I will close that just for when it gets back in. There you go. So now we're going to enter our fine feed momentarily. After this cycle's done, I'll demonstrate the manual functions for this machine. just about done over here. Speed up the table just a little so we're not here all day. And there you go. We're complete with our cycle. So now we'll just get right into our manual setting. So start off with, you do have our longitudinal table, the hand wheel right there, adjustable dogs that talk to a proxy switch right there. You can also go ahead and flip this lever over and feed our table in or out. And right below it is also your CROSSFEED speed, depending on how fast you want to go. And then you also have two different options to bring up your head. You could do it with the hand wheel right here, or you could play with the rapid up and down buttons. You can also manually adjust the wheel whenever you'd like, just by pressing the button over here. It'll bring the head in, and then you can go ahead and change it up and down, and also the speed for it. But that basically wraps up this machine for you. Again, this is going to be the Okamoto ACC-820EX, wired for 220 volts. Thank you very much.